Hello all, welcome back to Ma Gurukul. You might be missing my International Math Olympiad videos. It was not posted on one particular context that for the International Math Olympiad I wanted you to practice only the three basics: one, simple addition, simple subtraction and logical thinking. Right. So apart from that, we will not need more than these three main concepts for the majority of the paper of the syllabus to be covered there. Right. I have a sample paper today from SOF, that is Science Olympiad Foundation. This is the one which conducts International Math Olympiad from class 1 onwards. Right. Of course, there are so many other Olympiads also conducted, but I somehow prefer this because it has a good standard. I'm not promoting though, but my personal experience. So today we'll go through this sample paper. Of course, this is not the question paper again. For January 2021, I think we have the Olympiad coming up for class 1 onwards. So I will just read through or go through this sample paper for you to understand better how much more training we can give to the children. Let's get started. So this is the paper. This is the sample paper, and this is the syllabus for 2020 to 2021 International Maths Olympiad. Okay, so you will have 35 questions in total, divided into 4 sections. The first section will have logical reasoning and will have 10 questions, 1 mark each. The second section will have mathematical reasoning, that also will have 10 questions, 1 mark each per question. The third section will have everyday mathematics for 10 marks involving 10 questions, and the last one is something which is very special. It is called as achievers section, and it will have 5 questions, each question carrying 2 marks. Right. So this is the pattern. You can go through the syllabus which has been mentioned here. You can take a screenshot of this particular screen which is available to you under the syllabus. Under section 1, again in particular, what is the syllabus, section 2 what is the syllabus, section 3 and section 4 what is the syllabus. So once you have taken out the screenshot of this, we will go ahead with the sample question paper for section 1. So here is the sample question paper. Again, I request you to take a screenshot of this. I am giving you the first 4 questions based on logical reasoning. Kanika, Sonali and Sneha are sitting in a row. Kanika is sitting between Sonali and Sneha. And who is the oldest? Who among the following is the correct order? Alright, so the second one, the shape of a ball is looking like a dash. So cone, cylinder, sphere or a cube. Now the third question is again logical reasoning. This we usually do it with our matchsticks and with the blocks, building blocks. This can be done with building blocks and matchsticks. The fourth question is, which of the following objects can hold maximum amount of water? Whether a bucket, a tumbler or a glass, a flask and a vase or a flower pot. Right. So this can be easily taught to children with experience or by playway method. Which of the following shows a correct descending order? So there are 4 options. The child needs to go through it, go through the numbers carefully and choose the correct one. Moving ahead, again take a screenshot of this because it has 4 questions. A frog can jump 2 steps at a time. If it is at 5th step, then where will it be after 2 jumps? This frog jumping method we have done for skip counting in the Ma Gurukul video. So you can do skip counting. You can type skip counting under my videos and you can go through that. The next one, 4 friends are celebrating their birthdays. The candle on cake show their ages. Who is the eldest? So they just have to count the candles. How many candles in the first one? 4. The second, the B has around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C has 2 and D has 3. So whichever is the eldest greater number, that will be the age of the child and hence the older the child. The 8th question has, Sonali bought the following items. So they just have to do simple addition. 10, 2 and 5. This can be done with the matchstick method or simple addition method. You can again type simple addition in the Ma Gurukul videos to find the teaching method for this. The ninth question is a tricky question. The question says which toffee gives the answer smaller than 7. So when they do the simple addition or subtraction, the answer should be smaller than 7. So remember, this question is not very easy. It's a tricky question, and the child needs to concentrate and also keep in mind or write down the answers one below the other under the toffees. The next part, we'll go ahead with the next one. Take a screenshot of this again. Everyday mathematics. Under everyday mathematics section, we have 4 questions here. Given 2 baskets show the number of apples. Which of the following statements is correct? So you can read through the statements. Basket X has 2 more apples than basket Y. Basket Y has more apples than basket X. Both baskets X and Y have equal number of apples, and basket Y has 1 apple less than basket X. I guess I have not done a video with equals to and greater or lesser. I will try to make the video in the next video. It will be coming up. So for that, you please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications on the same. The 11th question. A chocolate costs 25 rupees. Jia has only 13 rupees. How much more money does she need to buy the chocolate? This again can be done with the matchsticks, that is teaching with matchsticks or teaching with playway method. Chintu has 24 balls. He gives 2 balls to his sister. How many more balls does Chintu has now? This is an easy one. Again can be done with matchsticks or with teaching aids, simple teaching aids which is available in the kitchen. You can replace it with even tamarind seeds. You can give them beads, you can give them sequences or any of these and try to count them and remove the numbers which is given in the particular question. The 13th one, the total height of both the trees is, just have to add 30 and 10, so it will become 40 meters. Like said, always majority of it will have simple addition and subtraction. Let's go to the achievers section. Kindly take a screenshot of this. The 14th question, which abacus represents 20 less than 69? So what we have to do is we have to give them 69 counters and ask them to remove 20 from it. Now the 15th question is again very tricky. It says how many birds are there in the given picture? The answer is 8, but in the options if you see, there is no option which says 8. That means there is no direct answer. The child has to do the subtraction to get an 8 as answer. Now the achievers section is the one which will actually decide on the child who has not mugged up or by-hearted things. This is something where the child will have to logically think and apply the skills what he or she has learnt, and hence it serves as a decision maker to decide who is the first, second or third. Of course, for class 1 there are no ranks given, but in the higher classes this is the one which helps them decide on their the first, second, third prize winners. These are the answers for the questions which I have given. Remember, this is the sample paper. There might be answers which might not be right, but try to check and see, cross verify and see, because I have not solved the paper. I just had time to make this video. I will do solve it and let you know if there are any corrections, and help you with the teaching aids for is equal to, greater and lesser. That one, how to teach the children the concept of greater, lesser and is equal to, right? The alligator method, the crocodile method or the V method. So we can go ahead with that. I will be doing that in the next video. Since I'm busy with my in-laws at home and my father-in-law being not keeping well, I might not post it immediately. So click on the bell notification icon for more updates. And if you do like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. We will do one more sample paper before January 21st. That's the exam date for Math Olympiad, for more revision. Thank you. I will also be sharing you the link for downloading this sample paper in the description below. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care and bye bye.